Hi developers. In this video, we will discuss about the loop. Loop is sequence of instructions that is repeated until a certain condition is reached. There are two type of loop. Not only in Python, in general, all programming languages, we can divide the loop into two type. One is count control, another is condition control. So count control is known as for loop, condition control is while loop. So let me explain with simple example. In this video, this gentleman is doing push-up. Each time he is doing same step, that is going down and coming up. So if he is doing push-up for certain number of time, like 5 time, 10 time, like that, the limited number of times he is doing, that is called for loop. But he is doing push-up until he get tired, so that is called while loop. Okay, so I repeat, if he is doing the push-up for limited number of times, or that is for loop, but he is doing the push-up same exercise until he get tired, so there is no limitation, there is no count, it is condition, he get tired, that is called while loop. So let me explain with programmatically. So we will convert the same action what that gentleman done, the same action will convert into program. So we'll create in this video two program, one is for, another is while. So I will go to, I will create new file, one is for.py. Okay, yeah. So first is for loop. I will just, without for loop, I'll just print what we are going to do. So I'll print one hyphen time, first time. Assume he is doing the exercise for 5 times. Okay, so push up for 5 times. So first time, one time, first time. Then what is doing first time? Print, go down, print, come up, right? So this is the two steps. So each time he is doing go down and come up. Let me print this. See here, I got the output. Okay. Yeah. So I have printed the activity for first time. So now I want to print for second time. So what I will do, I'll just copy it and I paste it here. So now what I am doing second time. So I'll run the code I got. So first time go down, come up. Second time go down, come up. Okay. So now the third time. So I just change the number. So I got this output. Now fourth time. Then finally fifth time. See here, if you notice, this is called duplicate code. If you see here, the array came here, it says that go down repeated per 5 times. So VS code itself throwing error like define a constants to avoid duplicate. So again come up repeated for 5 times. So you have to avoid the duplicate code. So I am doing same go down come up same code, it is 5 times. So how we can avoid? So I'll remove all the duplicate code, and now the warning gone. I will introduce one for loop. So for okay, I in ranges. So what is ranges means, if you give any number, so that will create that number of that sequence of numbers. For example, if I give 5, so it will give my number from 0 1 2 3 4. So 5 sequence it will get created, range of numbers. Okay, but here it is throwing error. Why? Because I have to end with colon. For loop always end with colon, and here no open bracket. This is the syntax. For I in ranges and bracket, you have to give how many numbers you want. So 5 times I printed, right? That's why I gave 5. If you want more, you can give increase this range number. But now it is throwing error because indentation is very important. So I'll give tab. When I give tab, then automatically, because which means that this 3 lines comes under for loop. Okay, so this 3 lines comes under for loop. So now I will clear and run again. Okay, not ranges, it's a range. Okay, when I run again, yeah, I got it. So I didn't duplicate the code, same code I have run, but you notice here every time it is coming first time, like, right? So I have to rename this 1 into I is the dynamic variable. So let me print as I. Okay, then I put plus, I'll remove 1. Okay, so I'm expecting I will be initially 0, 1, 0 time, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. So let me run this. Okay, I got error. What is the error? I is the integer data type, but I am concatenating. So here plus means string concatenation. So I cannot concatenate in the integer with the string. So it's like this. I have 0, then plus hyphen time. So here this second part is string, first part is integer. Okay, there's a data type. Last video I explained what is a data type, right? So different data type we cannot do concatenation. So what is the way? We have to convert this I into string. It is simple. In Python it is very simple. Just create str method and pass this I inside that str. So now I'll run again. I got input. Nice. Okay, but it start with 0, because the range always start from 0. So if you want 1, just put plus 1. Okay, run and save. Got it. So now we got the expected output. So here I have limited number of time, so that is called for loop. So it's like a counter control. So count, it is a control. Who is the count? Is the controlling 5. If I give 10, so it will run 10 times. Okay, see here, if I give 100, this will run in 100 times. See, very fast. So 100 times it will execute. So based on the count, the code execution is happening. So that is called for loop, count controlled. Okay, next thing is condition control. As I explained, right now that gentleman is doing 100 push-ups or 10 push-ups, okay, or 5 push-ups. So it is a control. So now I have to write the code until he get tired. Okay, I have to run this print to statement. Go down and come up has to print until he get tired. So how we can replicate that scenario in programmatically? So let me clear this. Okay, now I'll create another file called while.py. Okay, so in the while loop, how the person get tired, how we know? So that is a practically he get tired, he feel the tired, but in programmatically how we can replicate or simulate that scenario. So that is a nice way. So I thought is to generate the random number. What is a random number? I will explain. First is I have to import random. Okay, import random. So now I will print random dot, I'll explain what is this range random dot rand. Okay, okay, so now if I run 3, so this random means it is a library. Okay, it's a Python inbuilt library. It is used to generate the random numbers. So if I give random dot rand range, it will generate any random number within 10. Okay, from 0 to 10 it will generate random number. If I give 100, whenever I run, it will generate like 38. So random number between 0 to 100. Okay, between this range between 0 to 100 it will generate any random number. Okay, if I give 10, between 0 to 10 it will generate the random number. 2 I got, 9 I got, 2 I got, again 6 I got. Okay, so randomly it will generate any numbers. I'm expecting 0. Okay. So if I get 0 and I thought he's tired, got it? If it is 0, for example, I will type, I will save this random number in one variable. Okay. So this random number I'll save in one variable rand equal to random number. Okay. Now I will create one variable is active. So the person is active. Yes, by default true. Okay. Now I will generate one while is active. So execute the below code, which means while he is active, execute the below code. Okay, I have to for loop or while loop, I have to end with the colon. Okay, then I have to give to indentation, the space before the line, so that it means whatever the code which is coming with this space indentation which belongs to while loop. So generate the random number while he is active. Okay, so now I'm generating the number if rand equal to 0. If the random number, if I get, I told you from 0 to 10 I'm generating random number each time. So when I get the 0 as a random number, I am converting is active equal to false. I make him active. If I get randomly 0 number, I make this person as a inactive. Then I am printing the message I am tired. Okay, I am tired. So what number is generating, I want to know. So what I will do, I will just print the random number here, rand. Okay, so I'll generate one random number, I will print the number. If the random number is coming 0, I'll make him as a inactive and I'm throwing the message I am tired. So let me run this program. See, I got 4 5 2 3 4 7 5, then I got 0. So when I got 0, I'm getting I am tired. So here I cannot predict how much time this code, this print of rand will repeated, because here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 time it got repeated. Okay, so now I got more times. When I run again, I got, see, so randomly it is I'm getting generated 4 times and sometime 10 times. So this time very less, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 times only. Okay, so it's like that. Whenever I'm executing now, see, it is only 4 times. So randomly I cannot predict it is a how much time this code will execute. That is called while loop. Based on the condition, when I will get this is random equal to 0, that time I will stop printing. So now I will print the our for scenario. What the for loop we use? Print go down and come up. I will replace with random. I will do go down. Okay, so I'm generating the random number and I'm printing each time. I'm printing go down and come up. Okay, now I will print. So in the for loop we are printing, right, first time, second time, third time. So how we can replicate here? I will create one variable. I will create one variable called integer variable count equal to 1. Okay, then each time I will increase the count. Now count here, count equal to count plus 1. Okay, we can give like this also, or one shortcut is you can give plus here as a prefix, then we can remove this. This is a shortcut. Okay, so a count will be increased by 1 by 1. This also the shortcut way we can give. I am incrementing each time, I am increasing the count value by 1. Okay, so now I am printing this print. Again I have to convert to string count plus time. Okay, Yeah, so let me run this. Okay, I got first time, go down, come up, second time, third time, fourth time, five time. Totally I got 18 times and he become tired. Now again I am running. So he got 3 times, he got tired. So again I am running, 4 time he got tired. Then only 1 time he got tired. So like that randomly I am getting, so the condition is random has to come to 0. Okay, if you look at the for loop, the condition is limited 100 time. I can predict this code will execute only 100 times, but here I cannot predict. So is this based on the condition? When I will get the random value as 0, that time only, until that time my code will get executed. Okay, so hope you enjoy this video. So stay connected for more technical videos. If you didn't understand anything, please mention in the comment. I will try to explain. Thank you very much. Bye bye.